Example 2. Nikki is a fashion designer and takes out a bank loan for 600,000 Rand to start her own boutique offering designer wear. The loan is repaid through equal quarterly payments over a period of 9 years. She negotiates with her banker that her repayments only start 9 months after the loan is drawn, by which time she expects to make a profit. The interest charged is 10% per annum, compounded quarterly. Calculate the quarterly payments. Calculate the outstanding balance on the loan at the end of 3 years. Solution. Let us draw a timeline to summarize the information. Recall that in the present value annuity formula, the value of P is the value of the loan outstanding 1 period before repayment begins. Nikki does not start repayment until 9 months. Normally, she would have started repayment at the end of 3 months. Therefore, the payments get deferred by 6 months, 2 quarters. So, number of payments gets reduced by 2 quarters. N equals 9 times 4 equals 36 minus 2 equals 34. Hence, the loan amount will accrue 2 additional quarters of interest before the repayment begins at the end of 9 months. However, remember that the bank will charge interest from the day the loan is received by Nikki. The bank charges interest at 10% per annum, compounded quarterly. The effective quarterly rate is I equals 10 over 400 equals 0,025. Using the formula for compound interest, we can calculate the outstanding balance of loan as A equals 630,375 Rand. This becomes her loan amount, or P, in the present value annuity formula. Therefore, X equals 27,740 Rand and 76 cents. To calculate the outstanding amount of the loan at the end of 3 years, that is, 3 times 4 equals 12 quarters, we need to find the present value of the outstanding payments from T13 to T36 on the original timeline. Here, N equals 36 minus 12 equals 24. P approximately equals 496,143 Rand 2 cents. Therefore, the outstanding balance on the loan at the end of 3 years is 496,143 Rand 2 cents.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.